Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video we are going to solve the issue of Blender Mixamo add-on in Blender. Here you can see my add-on working properly, and this is Blender 4.0 version. So let's begin the video. How to fix the Mixamo control rig problem in Blender. So open your browser and go to the Mixamo add-on Blender website. Simply click on the get add-on and it start download. After downloading the file, just go and extract this file. After extracting, open this file, and here you click on the lib file, and after lib you just have to see the version.py. Don't click any other file, you just have to click on version.py and simply open with any software or any app for edit the code. So I simply choosing Notepad. So here you see a code which is already inserted in this file. I will provide you the full code. Okay, you just have to copy full, and here you select all and control V to paste. So here you see that file. So here you have to save this file. After saving, you have to go back. So I'm going here. So here you see that previous zip file. So this is not going to use, so you have to delete. And after deleting, don't you have to make the zip file, okay, which is current we are editing. Edit the file, you have to make that zip file, but don't make this full folder zip file. You have to open once, and here you see the mixamo rig, and here you have to make it as a zip. So compress to zip file, or you can use any apps to compress it as a zip file. So after compressing, you see there a file will be there, a mixamo rig. So this is only going to use because Blender only support the zip file for add-on. So open Blender, edit, preferences, and install that zip file. So when you come here, you see that 30377 file. You have to open it, and here you see the mixamo-rig.zip. You have to click and install add-on. After installing, you get the Mixamo add-on. So here you saw you get this Mixamo option, and you can use it. So thank you for watching, and bye bye. Take care.